Today we are going to review how to set up a video chat call step by step during a Peloton ride or class. This is Colin Jenkins with Connect the Watts, where we cover the latest connected fitness news, reviews, tips, and guides. So make sure to subscribe to the channel before the end of the video if you want to get more tips just like this. Now, the first step to starting a Peloton video chat is to ensure that you have the video chat setting enabled. To do this, first tap on the bottom right corner of the touch screen, and from the window that pops up, select Profile Settings. From there, select the Social tab and ensure Enable Video Chat is checked as a privacy option. You'll need to have this enabled both to make video calls as well as receive them, so make sure the friend that you want to chat with also has this enabled. Now, in order to start a video chat during class, both you and your friend will need to be following each other as well as taking the exact same class. If you are not following each other, then the video chat option will not be available during the ride. Once you're in the same ride as your friend, you should be able to find them in the leaderboard under Here Now. Simply tap their name, and from here you can tap on the video chat option and your Peloton should initiate the video chat with that friend. And now that you know how to set up the video chat, I'm going to warn you that you probably shouldn't even attempt to do this because of just how terrible the video chat is on Peloton, both visually and audibly. Now, visually, it's not that big of a deal that it's really blurry because you probably don't want to see and be seen in super clarity as you're working hard in a workout and being drenched with sweat. But audibly is where this fails the most, as it is very difficult to hear your friend on the video chat unless you have the music and instructor turned almost all of the way down. And this is true whether you are wearing headphones or not. In fact, when I was wearing headphones, I even had a harder time hearing my friend Jeff Benjamin from 9 to 5 Mac during the ride. Now, if you want to talk with your friends during a ride, instead of a video chat, my suggestion is to simply call or FaceTime them on your phone. But let me know what you think in comments. How have you found the video chat if you've tried it? Let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.